In one day, I can be working on projects that touch, lymphoma, diabetes, HIV. I am an epidemiologist at the Harvard Pilgrim Healthcare Institute. I work a lot with the FDA. I do a lot of work with the Massachusetts Department of Public Health. I was there during the 2009 H1N1 pandemic, and I basically led the epidemiologic response set. My career path has been, I think, logical, but certainly not straight. I won't say it was easy, but I was fully prepared to handle that, and I understood what it takes to really develop your own path. When you're in some of the classrooms like you have at Hampshire, right, and you're forced to talk to each other and really engage and work together, I think that sets you up to be able to collaborate in a different way. I am always looking ahead to what comes next and trying to figure out, what are the opportunities that are just interesting to me, regardless of whether they perfectly align with what my current projects are. And many people don't think that way.